Lesson 21. Should. 1. Should for advice and opinions. We use should to give advice, make recommendations, or say what we think is the right thing to do. Examples: you look tired, you should go to bed. I think the government should do more to improve schools. Do you think I should apply for this job? 2. Shouldn't and should for expectations. We use shouldn't to say that something is not a good idea. We also use should when we expect something to happen or when something is different from what we expect. Examples: you shouldn't believe everything you read in newspapers. Tina should be here by now. Helen has been studying hard, so she should pass the exam. 3. Should have done and shouldn't have done. We use should have done plus past participle when something would have been a good idea, but it didn't happen. We use shouldn't have plus past participle when someone did something that was a mistake. Examples: you should have come to the party. I shouldn't have eaten so much. You should have gone to bed earlier. 4. Ought to as an alternative to should. We can use ought to instead of should with the same meaning. Remember that ought is always followed by to. Examples: you ought to apply for this job. Jack ought not to go to bed so late. You ought to have come to the party. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!